Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at a new door armrest option for the 68 to 72 trucks and the 68 to 77 Broncos. After 50 plus years, the original armrest on your Bronco or truck are most likely sun damaged, have wear and tear, or may even be missing. Dennis Carpenter now offers these armrests for your classic Ford truck or Bronco in the correct factory ginger color option. Sold as a pair, they are made exactly like the originals and feature the factory correct texture design and molded details. Replacing the armrests with new ones from Dennis Carpenter will enhance the look of your interior and give your truck or Bronco restoration that factory fresh look. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X.